This is my model of the declining population of bumblebees and why this is happening. The anthropogenic reasons that I listed come off of the middle that says loss of bumblebees. Surrounding it are pesticides, honey market, urbanization, farming practices, global warming, and air pollution. These are just some of the anthropogenic factors that are causing the loss of bumblebees. So red is anthropogenic and green is environmental. So next we'll come out to the environmental reasons that the bumblebee population is slowly declining. And the environmental factors are disease, honey production, loss of habitat, plant diversity loss, drought, and disease. Now, I listed them after the anthropogenic factors because I felt that these environmental factors are a result of the anthropogenic factors, but also noted these factors can also occur through ways that aren't from humans. I listed multiple environmental factors for each anthropogenic factor because I thought that it had more environmental impacts and factors than just one. Obviously, this isn't the entire factors that are out there that are causing the loss of bumblebees. So, with the honey market, for example, this is environmentally affecting honey production and habitat loss. And the urbanization factor is losing habitats for the bumblebees, and there's a lack of flowers for the bumblebees. Farming practices are plant diversity loss, habitat loss, and disease. Global warming is causing drought, plant diversity loss, habitat loss, and lack of flowers. Air pollution is causing disease and lack of flowers. Pesticides is causing disease and plant diversity loss. Now, the environmental factors and the anthropogenic factors are both reasons that the honeybee population is declining. There are connections to each of the anthropogenic factors that are environmental factors that is like a feedback loop effect. The anthropogenic factors causes an impact on the environmental factors and vice versa. If we lose the honeybees, that's a total devastation for us because we lose all our resources because it's a chain reaction. They are in nature and everything's connected in nature, and if we lose the honeybees, then we're losing these environmental and anthropogenic factors as well.